AAI's Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport, Kolkata, celebrated a glorious century of service on 21st December 2024. The grand occasion was inaugurated by Shri Ram Mohan Naidu Kinjarapu in the esteemed presence of Shri Muralidhar Mahol, the Honorable Union Minister of State for Civil Aviation and Cooperation, Professor Shri Saugata Roy, Honorable Member of Parliament Lok Sabha, Shri V. Vualam, Secretary, Ministry of Civil Aviation, Shri Vipin Kumar, Chairman, Airports Authority of India, and other dignitaries from MOCA and AAI.
This airport has been more than just a gateway. It has been a silent witness to history, a bridge connecting Kolkata to the rest of the country and the rest of the world, and a symbol of dreams taking flight from here. When I see this building, it is not merely a building. It is a living monument. It is a living monument showing us countless number of revolutions, countless number of sacrifices, countless number of contributions, and also countless number of celebrations. When people come here, they are not merely flying from here to any other place. They are letting their dreams also get wings and fly from this Kolkata airport. That is why this is a living monument in this country today.
The celebration paid tribute to the airport's rich legacy while highlighting its transformative role in shaping the future of Indian aviation.
आज हम उस यात्रा का उत्सव मना रहे हैं जो कोलकाता हवाई अड्डे ने शताब्दी के इस सफर में तय किया है। ये हवाई अड्डा अपने प्रारंभिक दिनों से लेकर आज तक न केवल एक कनेक्टिविटी हब के रूप में उभरा है, बल्कि यह हमारी सशक्त और समृद्ध भारतीय उड्डयन क्षमता की पहचान बन चुका है।
The Honorable Union Minister also felicitated former employees of AAI and employees of airport stakeholders like airlines, CISF, etc., who have significantly contributed over many years in the progress and development of Kolkata Airport. A centenary postal special cover along with my stamp and souvenir coin honouring 100 years of Kolkata Airport were also launched, along with a coffee table book showcasing India's cultural heritage reflected in modern airport architecture. Marking the occasion, the Honourable Minister inaugurated a budget-friendly cafe named Udaan Yatri Cafe at the airport as a pilot project, supporting transformative initiatives by the Ministry of Civil Aviation and the Airports Authority of India. The cafe offers a curated menu with affordable pricing, ensuring passengers can have access to quality food at cost-effective rates, thereby enhancing their travel experience.
Prime Minister's initiative of Udaan, lot of common people from middle income backgrounds, lower income backgrounds and modest backgrounds, they are also travelling through air. And many a times we have heard the feedback that sometimes they feel the things that are available at the airport are little expensive for them. So to make it more convenient for them and to give them access to at least the basic necessities which they need, like water, tea, coffee, or at least one savoury and one sweet item, with the support of Airport Authority of India, we have launched the Udaan Yatri Cafe. We feel it is a very historic moment for us.
The Honourable Union Minister of Civil Aviation also launched a signature campaign to commemorate the milestone. Additionally, the Union Minister of Civil Aviation, Shri Ram Mohan Naidu Kinjarapu, inaugurated a photo gallery celebrating the 100-year journey of Kolkata Airport. Established in 1924 as Dum Dum Airport, the aviation landmark has etched its mark in history. It hosted the Bengal Flying Club in 1929, became one of India's first jet service hubs in 1964, and had its dedicated cargo terminal in 1975. Renamed in 1995 to honour Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, its new integrated terminal was inaugurated in 2013, which seamlessly blends heritage and modernity. Spreading across 1,566.3 acres with a built-up area of 230,000 square meters, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport is equipped to serve 26 million passengers annually and caters to around 49 domestic and 15 international destinations. The airport also drives economic growth, supporting businesses through robust air freight services, including a state-of-the-art cargo terminal that connects Eastern India to the world.
जो फैसिलिटीज़ हम लोग जो अवेल करते हैं सिक्योरिटी से रिलेटेड और बाकी और तो बहुत अच्छी लगी. इवन क्लीनिनेस और उसके हिसाब से भी बहुत अच्छा अपकीप रखा हुआ है एयरपोर्ट में. And I wish them great future ahead.
It's a very proud moment for us that Kolkata Airport has completed 100 years. It's a very historic place. The airport also holds very extreme importance, being the gateway to the north, gateway to the northeast as well.
As AAI's Kolkata Airport celebrates 100 years of service to the nation, it stands as a glittering monument in the city of joy.
I wish that this is the starting of new journey after 100 years, and we will be providing the best experiences to all the people of this area, of this country and of this world.
From its humble origins to its place among the world's leading aviation hubs, Kolkata Airport has been a bridge connecting people, cultures and nations.